Kami ang team Pagong ng Riyadh, tanghali na ang gising, sabay diretso ng banyo dahil late na ang person. Tumatanda na raw pero ayaw pang umamin. Sa Riyadh ang kwento, sa asfalto ang alaala. Marami na sa tropa ang hindi na makasama. May padjat na pas muna, sabay sinat katawa. Dumadahilan na masakit tuhod, tagiliran. At kung susubok daw, siguradong nasusuka na naman. Kami ang Strong Six sa espadang ruta, lumalaban kahit malakas ang hangin at sikat ng araw. Langit-ingit ng pedal, sumasabay sa tuhod. Maglalakbay kami nang matapos ang kontrata dito sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Helmet na may gasgas, jersey ko pasang kulay, pero tibok ng dibdib, parang batang sabik pa rin. Bawat ikot ng gulong, panalangin sa iyong tahanan. Konting tiis na lang, uuwi rin ako dyan. Kung maubos man ang lista ng kasama sa umaga, kami pa rin ang maingay sa tahimik na kalsada. Hanggang huling hininga, hanggang huling pahinga. Pedal lang ng pedal, kahit sino pa ang mawala. Kami ang Strong Six sa espadang ruta, lumalaban kahit malakas ang hangin at sikat ng araw. Langit-ingit ng pedal, sumasabay sa tuhod. Maglalakbay kami hanggang matapos ang kontrata dito sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Kami ang Strong Six sa espadang ruta, lumalaban kahit malakas ang hangin at sikat ng araw. Langit-ingit ng pedal, sumasabay sa tuhod. Maglalakbay kami hanggang matapos ang kontrata dito sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Ipaglaban pa!
He's weak or strong?
He's just strong. He's
Who,
just
who is weak? Who is weak?
Mr. Drink.
No.
Sit.
Who,
Come here.
who is weak?
I have my friend.
Yes. Who is
Huh?
weak?
Ding.
Wait,
Ding, don't kill me, huh?
Wait, very,
Sort out to Ding.
you thought Jude this week,
Yeah. I thought he is weak.
but he is strong.
No,
Yeah.
not a
Small packet and big
Small
boom.
packet.
How about Ding? How about
what
Ding?
about
How
Don
about
Don?
Ding?
What about Don Don?
Ding.
No, retired? No, you
Don,
said retired.
Don is sort out. He is my honest friend.
Ah.
Wallah, I cannot say anything about
How about Ding? How about Ding?
What
Huh?
How about Ding?
Ding, he's a good. I see he's a good.
You
but
thought him
what?
is
But
he can make it.
But-
But unfortunately, you know, he got some stomach problem.
no. You're taught before.
Yeah, I think he rides strong.
Then
and then
And then I saw him. I found him in the street, in the way, and I said, "What happened, Ding?" And he was sick. He said, "I feel something. I had some biscuits and all that. I got some problem." in
but
stomach."
he's number 14.
How come? That's okay. It's a part of it.